Hello, welcome to my channel. Finally, I'm posting. I pushed myself. Okay, let's post, and here I am. So, with the setup, I think you know, मैं आज अपना secret skin care share करूँगी. So let's go. I mean, first I do is always ordinary. Ordinary. This one is like, this will like help you with your pimples, your scars, everything, even your dandruff. So मैंने already लगा लिया है क्योंकि first thing I do is after I shower is like put on some ordinary on my body and on my face. Then next product I use is Laneige का this toner, which is also good, but recently when I start किया, so I don't know yet. I cannot promise, but yeah, ordinary I can promise you because I use it. I have been using it since like 1-2 years, so I know. पहले तो बीच में मैंने छोड़ दिया था लगाना because I don't know why, but yeah, it's effective. मैं अभी start किया है almost अभी 1 month and it's like for then बहुत time तक चलता है. टोनर के बाद I usually मेरा स्किन केयर डिफरेंट होता है, but then I maybe sometimes switch between these two. Sometimes this. So right now at night I'll wear today's this one. And yeah, serum vitamin C morning में I use when I'm doing my makeup or just getting ready for my flight. I have to put on so much makeup on. Then I use vitamin C. And it's really effective. This one I've been using for like 1 month and yeah, it's showing results. Like my skin feels lighter, brighter, so it's effective. It's very much effective. And after serum I use, again it depends, but after that I use Laneige ka this cream moisturizer, and trust me, it's also so good. Like it's the best. Like how am I supposed to describe this feeling? It's good. And उसके साथ there was a brush also, because that's another task कि brush निकाल के उसको लगाना है, तो that's a task for me, and you can imagine how lazy I am by that. So I only put it with my hand like this, and yeah, cover my neck also. Yeah, feels so good. I totally recommend this one. Laneige ka moisturizer, it's the best. Okay, so okay, that's all I'm doing these days. But sometimes, wait, where's that? Sometimes I also sometimes I use this dark spot correcting glow serum, this one, and honestly this one works as good as ordinary. This is good. Like whatever there's a pimples ki mark aa jate, you know, these will go in like 2 weeks. 2 weeks gone. For me it is, but abhi kuch dinon se, you know, for some reason I don't know, I'm not using it because I'm using ordinary. So I think same effect लगा मुझे क्योंकि same चीज़ कर रहे हैं. So if I have to choose between these two, I'll choose obviously ordinary for so many reasons. But yeah, if you're looking for something जो आपके dark spot को correct करने के लिए serum, it's the best. Like it's expensive a little bit, but yeah, if it's, you know, working, then why not buy it, right? After this, mine is simple. I have 2 masks, sleeping masks I use, and ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं सिर्फ रात में sleeping mask, I use it every time. So these two I have Laneige के. Why I have water sleeping mask, and this is, I don't know, इसका वो हट चुका है, but yeah, strengthening something. पे आ चुका है, एंड इट्स फॉर ब्राइटनिंग एंड हाइड्रेटिंग. ओके, सो छोटे छोटे इसलिए क्योंकि आई हैव सो मेनी स्मॉल ऐसे रखे हुए बिकॉज इट्स ट्रेवल फ्रेंडली. आई ट्रेवल अ लॉट, सो आई नीड दिस. सब कुछ मेरे बैग में फिट करना है, तो तभी मैं आई प्रेफर स्मॉल बॉटल्स. दैट्स व्हाई आई लव बाइंग स्मॉल ऐसे स्मॉल पैकेजिंग वगैरह. एंड राइट नाउ आई यूज़ दिस वन वाटर स्लीपिंग मास्क. इट्स ऑल्सो गुड. यूजुअली मैं मेकअप से पहले भी यूज़ करती हूँ बिकॉज उससे क्या होता है उसकी स्किन ना बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट लगने लगती है. एंड मेकअप जब आई यूज़ मेकअप इट फील्स लाइक आई हैवंट लाइक पुट ऑन एनी थिंग ऑन. पूरा मेरी स्किन उसको किस कर देती है ऐसे काइंड ऑफ. आई यूज़ दिस एट नाइट, मॉर्निंग, आई एम गेटिंग रेडी. And it's also refreshing. It's a feel of the something is happening. Then my last, not it's always I use it after every 15 minutes. I'm using it every 15 minutes. Okay, and we have this thing we have to put it on with. But again, as you know, I'm very lazy. I cannot see, so I'm very lazy. So for the video I'm gonna do it with this. Apply it. Not even like it keeps my lips hydrated for long. I've noticed that. Even though I put on lipstick, I use this क्योंकि उससे जो होता है ना उससे क्रैक्स नहीं आते ना, वो नहीं आते उसके बाद. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई यूज़ इट. Laneige का व्हाट इज दिस sleeping mask. Okay, this is also sleeping mask, but I use it every time because I'm sleeping every time, morning or day. I'm sleeping all the time. Wow, I just discovered something. मैंने इसके ऐसे अंदर रखा so that I can now. Okay, nice. Now I can just use it. Nice. Okay, thank you. No need to put it in this. Anyways, this is this, and I don't know about I don't know, like I'm using so many stuff, but I cannot guarantee if it works on you, और जो चीज़ें मुझ पे काम नहीं करे वो आप पे ना करे. But yeah, things I'm sure about, I'm telling you that. This Acne Scott का जो breakout के लिए I use it क्योंकि जहाँ मेरे active acne I use it on that. For example, I just take the thoda sa pea size and put it on my pimple so that और ना बढ़े, and it works. Honestly, it works. And फिर उसके बाद what I do is I take the pimple patch को so sorry guys, मेरा फ़ोन का बैटरी लो हो गया था. Anyways, where I was कि when I put on acne spot का, उसके बाद I put this pimple patch, cover it for at least if you're putting on acne spot, at least put it on for 24 hours, more than तभी effective I think होता है. Because before that I don't think so वो उसका अपना काम करता है वो. Okay, so this was my skincare I use every day. Yeah, not to forget I also use sometimes, it's not a skincare, but yeah, it makes me feel good. I use this on my brows. Seriously, what is brows? I use it on my brows and lash. Elf का this one. See, for me बहुत ज़्यादा रिसर्च करके मुझे ये अच्छा लगा क्योंकि whenever I use, it has some, yeah, okay, got it. I used to use this one, but when I apply it, after sometimes ऐसे it turns out कि सब वो जाता है, क्या बोलेंगे उसको, ड्राई आउट हो जाता है और उसके बाद दिखने लगता है कि हाँ देयर समथिंग, ओके, वाइट पैचेस समथिंग आ जाते हैं. सो इट वाज अ नो फॉर मी. सो आई वाज स्कैर्ड एंड आई यूज्ड, आई डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम, बट या उसका भी सेम चीज़ हो रहा था कि व्हेन आई अप्लाई इट, उसके बाद यू नो ऐसे अलग से आने लगता है कि ऐसे कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड फील होता है एंड इट्स नॉट गुड. So then I was like, let's try this elf का, and it's amazing. Like कितने भी hours, like 14 hours की flight है, you're working for 14 hours, 12 hours, your eyebrows won't like move, and ऐसा feel नहीं होता है कि लगाया हुआ है. Even though apply at home, like ऐसे you know to look like put together, ऐसे feel होता है कि okay, now my skincare is done. Okay, so it feels like there's nothing, but at the same time when I touch it after like 10 seconds, तो yeah, I see कि हाँ हो रहा है. See, क्योंकि I don't apply eyebrow pencil and all, so it's good for me. इसे put together लगता है कि yeah, fine. And eyelashes का भी of course it's the best. Like I totally recommend this elf का. Feels amazing on my lashes, on my brows, and I'm done. Yep, here we go. So okay. Good. See, no white mark, no white patch or anything, just gel, and it's very good. So yeah, that's all for today. मिलते हैं हम नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में, जो भी होगा. Let's hope कि I post more every day. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so sleepy and I'm so hungry at the same time, so I'm gonna go and eat, and you guys take care and do like, share, subscribe, whatever हो जाना चाहिए, ठीक है. Carry Minati का dialogue, but yeah, whatever. Thank you so much.